Hey guys, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I am so bare and raw right now except for my eye makeup, but my face, my skin, it's breaking out like heck. So I'm gonna show you guys my techniques on how I cover up my blemishes and the fresh breakouts on my face because it is horrible and it is a horror. And I'm gonna show you guys how to overcome it. So this is my face pag nag-break out siya. It's so bad. I have dry skin and advice ko lang sa mga people who have dry skin and all skin types in general na please stop picking your pimples. I need to say that to myself also. Kasi if you keep on picking your pimples kapag hindi pa siya ripe like this one, if you keep picking it, nagiging pimple mark siya at the end. Like that one, and ayan, madami. Kasi I keep on touching it and I shouldn't touch it. People who have dry skin, mas matagal yung pimple marks nila mawala. And actually guys, we develop wrinkles faster compared to people with oily skin. Kaya that's why we have to moisturize our skin every time and keep a regular skincare routine and stick to it. So guys, I've already prepped and primed my face. The first thing that I do to cover up my blemishes is I get, guess what? A pimple patch. Ito yung pimple patch na ginagamit ko. I haven't seen a tutorial na gumagamit ng pimple patch to cover up their blemishes before makeup. I'm pretty sure I'm not the first one. My pimple patch is from MiaCare and it is an acne patch for night. Meron sila for day and meron din sila day and night, but I just get the night patch. I want to try the day patch because sabi daw nila mas thinner yung day patch compared sa night patch. So I might get that next time because the thinner the patch is, the more seamless yung itsura niya sa face niyo. I highly recommend the Mia patches kasi it really works. It sucks out the pus from your breakout by itself. So, hindi nyo na kailangan i-pick yung pimples nyo. All you have to do is, you know, apply the pimple patch. This is what I put sa mga fresh breakouts ko. But for pimple marks like this one, pag flat na yung pimples ko and they don't have any more pus inside, I don't bother to put the pimple marks na to cover them up. I just put it, ayan, here sa mga fresh na blemishes. So this is the pimple patch and I take it and then boom. Ayan. See? Parang walang nangyari. Ayan, na-cover up na siya, diba? Bilis lang. Parang actually you don't need a concealer na, but I need my concealer. What's nice about MiaCare na patches is that you can put makeup on top of it. Some people do not use pimple patches, they just use their concealer to cover up their breakouts. I did that before, but when I started using the pimple patches, I realized na I should include it in my makeup routine pag nag-breakout ako or if I have fresh pimples. So para hindi siya lalo ma-infect yung pimple by any germs or whatever. So I like covering it first before applying my makeup. So right now, I'm gonna be covering up the other blemishes on my face using the NARS concealer. Ayan, favorite ko to ngayon. But if you have any concealer na favorite nyo, yung go-to nyo ngayon, you don't have to use this. This is just my go-to right now. I'm gonna be using NARS's Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Biscuit and Macadamia. I applied this first, the dark one first, because it's a lot peachier, and apply it sa dark circles ko or around sa mga areas na medyo dark siya. And or purpley, I apply this because it's a lot peachier. So, ito basically yung nagko-correct sa kanya. And then, to balance it out, I apply this one para hindi siya gano'ng ka-dark. I like using this one compared sa mga flat brushes. Kasi if you use a small buffing brush to apply concealer or to cover up the blemishes on your skin, mas konti yung products na pick up niya, hindi siya gaano ka-concentrated. So therefore, pag in-apply niyo siya sa skin, skin nyo, it will look more airbrushed. It will look more natural compared sa flat brush applicator. Ayan, so kita nyo guys yung difference ng concealed blemishes tsaka ng side na hindi concealed yung blemishes. So, this is why I really love the NARS concealer kasi ang bilis niya. Like, boom! Kahit hindi na ako mag-foundation, I'm good to go. But since I'm going for a really snatched makeup look today, ayan, kailangan kong mag-foundation mamaya. So right now guys, I actually haven't applied any concealer on this side. I want to focus on the pimple patch. So since pimple patch siya, meron siyang seam dito, right? I'm gonna show you guys how I apply concealer na para seamless yung application ng makeup. I get my concealer and then I don't just go around it like that. I don't just brush through it, but what I do is I first concentrate on the center of the patch and then I brush it out. The reason that I brush it out is para hindi pumasok yung concealer sa seam. If you push it inside, it will create an outline dyan. It will create an outline dito na circle. So you have to push it out. There you go. Then I'm gonna cover up the other blemishes. So okay, right now I'm applying the shade Macadamia. So basically, that is how I cover up my fresh breakouts. The really key part here is protecting your pimple from any more bacteria coming inside. I highly recommend a pimple patch to cover it before applying makeup. So I'm gonna finish my makeup off screen and I will be back. Ayan guys, so this is my final makeup look. I hope you like it. If you do, then please do give this video a thumbs up. This look, by the way, is inspired by Rihanna's makeup artist. Her name is Priscilla Ono. She's super good, as in, inspo ko talaga siya. And I'm really hoping one day I can get to work with Rihanna. Super easy ng tutorial, as in, for me, yung best advice ko for covering up your fresh pimples is talaga to patch it up with a pimple patch. And again, I highly recommend MiaCare's pimple patch. You can buy it at Watson's. It's around 159 or 149 pesos. Nasa ganyang price range. It contains 12 patches and it's really worth it, you guys. And you will feel really confident kahit hindi ka na mag-makeup, you just want boom, covered yung pimples nyo, yung fresh pimples nyo specifically, then I highly suggest you guys getting pimple patches. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how to cover up your fresh breakouts. If you like my techniques, then please do like this video. And guys, if meron kayong techniques on how to cover up your blemishes or how to prevent pimple marks from happening, then please do comment in the comment section below because I would love to know. And as always, please do subscribe to my channel and share this video. Again, if you have any more comments or suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. But just remember, no hate, just love.